one.
And then I can, so I take all this off. This is the best thing you want to do. You want to go out, meet the locals, and have a local experience with nice people that doesn't want to hassle you, but make you happy and healthy.
The end product is
This. See how big, this one's big.
we have YouTube channel. We make new videos, YouTube channel. Oh, I don't have it. We put on YouTube, the people around the world watch the video. Danny, how much did the 5 coconut sprouts cost you?
20,000.
So we just reached the homestay. And Danny in the light. What do we have here?
Our host helped us. Oh my god! Yes! It's a nice one. Look how big this is.
I was gonna say it's the size, almost the size of Danny's head.
It's so big.
It looks like a brain. But you know what the funny thing is?
It has the good oil.
Danny, the brain's made up of fat, right? Doesn't that look like a human brain? Oh wow.
That one's nice.
And then what we do is we hydrate with coconuts as well. So we drink the coconuts.
Eat the sprout and the oil.
And then with the oil,
Also use it on
you can
the
use it
skin.
for dead skin scrubbing. What did it say? Remoisturizing the skin after a deep tissue cleanse.
This is the coconut sprout. This is the outside and this is the inside. And here you have the oil that's outside of like that. That's how it sits. So we take a bit because this is special. This oil is naturally occurring in nature, living.
Raw organic coconut oil.
Yeah. So this is it's not like olive oil processed, and that's how we eat it.
And the oil, does it taste like oil or is it like some sweet popcorn flavor? Magical sweet popcorn vanilla.
Yeah, very complex, but still so balanced. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm.